look at that. Whoa, it's a gold megalodon. Cool. What's this one? Whoa, what is it? It's a doggy. That's so cute.
Oh, doggy, take it. My dog. Ah!
We're gonna decorate your Easter egg basket. So you choose a color. Do you want green or blue?
That's the blue.
Okay, wait, come back, Wesley, not yet. Come here, we gotta put stickers on. So Silas gets a blue one and you get a green one. Okay. You can put a carrot, you can put a bunny, an egg. Peel off the back and then stick it onto your baskets. Okay, put a flower. You have Wesley? Yeah, I'll help you. You gotta remove this part. Oh, I'll let you do it next time. Let's put more. Face. Let's put a face. We remove the back. And then, oh, this is a ribbon. Okay, put it on. Put it on. Good job. Good job, Wesley. Good job, Wesley. You gotta remove the back. Oh, this is a basket. Let me see. This is Silas's basket. And this is Wesley's basket. Let me see. Good job. Let's go outside. Okay. Soon we gotta wait for Silas. We're gonna go get the egg. Are you gonna put the eggs in your basket? Okay, so we're gonna look for all the eggs outside and put it in your basket, okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay, put it in your basket. Good job, Wesley. Go look for all the eggs. Good job. Put it in your basket. All right, look for more. There's more over there.
Down, right?
Yeah, you can go down the slide. First, put it in the basket. Don't forget your basket. Good job. Go get more. There's more eggs here. Oh, put it in here. Good job. Oh, is there more under there? Oh, you got it all right. There's more on the couch, Wesley. Oh, I see more over here. Over here. By the step. Good job. It's a monster truck. Now open this one. Open this one.
Open this one.
Okay, first open all the other eggs.
Wait.
It's a surprise. have? I think we're missing some.
Open. This one.
That's chocolate. Alright, so here are the toys that we got from all the eggs. Alright, Wesley, go ahead and open. Look, 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 look. Ooh, it's Gus. And I think this is glow in the dark. What else do we got? It's Ryan. Oh, it's Pat. Pretty cool. Yeah. And we got Combo Panda, but red. Good job, guys. Do we want to open?
Yeah, nice.
It says driven, collect all 24. Okay, good job opening, Wesley. Open it. Here, I'll help you. Whoa, that's so cute. That's so cute. What'd you get? Pretty cool. It's a crane. No, I think these are tracks, Silas, and you gotta put it together, like Wesley. What about this one? Are we gonna open more?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's a Monster Jam. Open and see what's inside. Ooh. Wow, that is so cute. It's a mini monster truck. Cool. What about more? Let's open more. Look at that. Whoa, it's a gold megalodon. Cool. What's this one? Whoa, what is it? It's a doggy. That's so cute. Alright. What is it?
Red.
What color is it?
Purple.
Purple. Good job. Okay, I'll open. Oh no, Peck is stuck. Ah! Oh no, Peck, somebody needs to save you. Here comes Combo Panda to save you. Oh, good job. He's safe. That's so cute.
Hopper. What did you try it?
Ooh, look at this slime. It's glittery. Oh no. Who are we gonna get stuck in that glittery slime?
Watch out. Go, go, go. Uh-oh.
Whoa, sparkly. Put it on the slime. Whoa. Okay, that is very messy.
Whoa! Lemon! Right is mine.
Here are the Ryan's World toys that we got. We got Gus, Peck, Red Combo Panda, Ryan, 2 Ryans. I think this one's a golfer. I'm not quite sure what this one is. Maybe. And these are all the driven vehicles that we got. Which one's your favorite?
This one.
The orange one? And here are the monster trucks. Pretty cool, tiny monster trucks. That's a nice putty. It's like a pancake.
No.
It's a putty. Okay, my bad. Oh no, where's Combo Panda? Oh, Ryan's gonna save Combo Panda. Oh no, Combo Panda is stuck. Haha. Oh no, Silas. The monster truck is stuck in the putty. Oh no.
Uh-oh. Jibba-woo.
Oh, nice. Oh, they're gonna get stuck inside the pancake?